Hello, if you need to model a WPC wall cladding like this one in Revit and also want to calculate material quantities, this method can save you a lot of time. Instead of modeling each plank manually, we are going to use a curtain wall with a custom mullion profile so the system stays flexible, clean and easy to schedule, as you can see. Okay, let's start working. So we need to create this profile, that is the profile of the wall cladding. In order to do that, we are going to create a new family. We have to go to Profile Mullion family. That is the template, the correct template that we have to use here. Great. So in order to make this video quicker, I already draw the profile on AutoCAD. If you need that file, just leave me a comment. I can send it to you. Let's insert that the profile. It's here. Finish. Okay. WPC. Meters, insert. We already have our profile. Something super important is to place it from the center point, but it's going to be the reference for the array that the curtain wall creates. So to draw the lines of this profile, we have to go to create lines, and we can use this tool, pick lines, that clicking on shift, we can select all the perimeter at once. It's super fast. We can also select the interior parts. It's not necessary, but I like to be detailed. Just make sure that all the lines is a closed loop. So as you can see, I have an error here. Let's close it, and that's it. We already have our profile. Let's just save it. Save as, family, and I already have my file here. Replace. That's great. So now we can upload this to our model and start creating our curtain wall. I see you in the next part. Okay, now that we already have our profile, we need to upload this profile to our project. Let's load it. And now we can start working with our curtain wall panel. Let's create a curtain wall panel, a random one, just here. And the next step will be to change the mullions, because the mullions are the vertical elements of the curtain wall. We go here, mullions, and we are going to start with the interior type, but we don't have our profile here. Why? Because it's just a profile. It's not a mullion type. So we have another step in order to create the mullion inside the curtain wall. We have to go here, look for mullions, and we are going to use the rectangular mullion as a start, new type. We are going to call it WPC profile. Okay, now we can go inside and we can change the profile shape. As you can see, we have our WPC profile, apply, and perfect. We already have it now. So we can return to our curtain wall and look for our profile inside the vertical mullions. We have it here, apply, and that's it. We start having our profile inside the project. But what happens? The separation is too long. So we are going to change that here. In the vertical grid, it's a fixed distance, that is okay, and as you remember, is almost 16 the module of this element. So let me put the real is this, apply, and as you can see, this piece fits inside the other. It's perfect, but we need the first profile. We go here, border one type. Let's place the same one. Perfect. Okay, but what happened with this? We still have the panels. We need to get rid of this. To get rid of this, we can go here in the curtain wall. We can select an empty panel. So let me find it, empty. Okay, that's great. This is what we want. So now we have two situations. We are going to place one here as the bed head is going to be 1.2 meters, and we are going to place another one in the other bedroom, but in this situation we are going to use the full height. So this is going to be good to understand how the schedule work and how we can schedule them. So let's create a similar. It's going to be from the 0, unconnected, 1.2 meters, and we are going to start from here to here. Don't worry if this happens, because in the real world we are going to cut this piece, but we still need this piece for the schedule, so that is okay. And we are going to create another one. Let's select, create similar, and we are going to start from here to here. We need to change direction. Perfect. Start in the correct way, and this is going to be 2.6 meters, so it's going to be full height. Let's go to the elevations. As you can see, this is the bed head. We have all the wall cladding well positioned, and this is the section of the other room. This is full height, so it's working great too. In the next part of the tutorial, we will learn how to create the schedule so we can know exactly how many planks we need, the length of each one, and how many planks we need for each length. So we already are in the last part of the tutorial. As a small resume, we create our wall cladding with the curtain wall tool. We applied it to our project, and now we want to make a schedule to know how many parts we have. So we have to go here to schedule, new schedule, and we are going to look for the mullions, curtain wall mullions, WPC, and we are going to put OK. So what we want to know? We want to know the type, we want to know the count, to know how many, we want to know the length, that is super important, and I think that's okay. Let's see how it looks. So we have all the pieces. As you can see, these are the full height pieces, and this is like the bed head pieces. So we have all here, but we don't want to see all the pieces in the list. So we can go here and uncheck this, but we want to filter them by length. So we want to know how many we have of each length. So we can go to grouping, sort by length. Perfect. We have more in the model. So I didn't know that. Probably this is the examples one. So let's go here again. Okay, perfect. So these are the full height planks, and these are like the bed head planks. But we want to know the total length. But if we apply the calculation to the lengths, we cannot filter them. So in order to do that, we have like a small workaround, that is create a new calculated field here, calculated parameter, sorry. It's going to be, let's play type name, to not use the same than the other. It's going to be length, and the formula is just to use length. Okay. Perfect. So now instead of filter by length, we can filter by type name, and we can go to length and do the calculations, calculate totals. Okay, perfect. So now what we know with this list, we have 24 pieces of 1.2 meters each one, and the total length of all the pieces is 28.8 meters. This is great. So we know how many pieces we have to buy for this project. So I hope you like the tutorial. And another thing that we need to set is grand totals. So we know the total length. So what we know with this list? We know that we have to buy 94 meters of these WPC planks, but also know that we have to cut 24 of 1.2 meters, and the total length of those is going to be 28.2, and we need to cut 25 of 2.6 meters, and this is the total length. So this is great if you have like a small refurbished project for your house. You can keep placing, let's say, the bed head height, but for the office. Let's create a similar. Let's put it here. But for this one, let's use, just to show that the schedule works, it's automatic. Let's use 1.5 meters. And if you go here, perfect. We need to buy 130 meters. And as you can see, we have 1.5 meters. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you have any idea of another tutorial, just leave it in the comments. And let's see you in the next one. Bye bye.